Let's say you're walking down the street and all of a sudden you're with your spouse or your significant other and you're talking at a wonderful meal and a red Mustang goes by. And all of a sudden you just turn sideways and all of a sudden you're quiet, you're repressed. Your spouse is saying, what's going on? And you may not even know what it is. But what happened was in high school, you had a boyfriend with a red Mustang and he dumped you. And so now even that will stimulate you. But as soon as you recognize I'm having a wonderful evening, as soon as I recognize, oh, I'm starting to feel weird, okay, then stop. Why am I feeling that way? What's going on? Oh, a red Mustang. Oh, okay. And you let that come up. In 90 seconds, it'll be gone. Otherwise, if you try to repress it and not address it, it goes down in there and it just took your affect totally away and you're no longer with your spouse.